This is a video on how to finish a braided wool rug. When your rug is the final size, choose the spot where you want the last braided strip to end. For this rug, it will be right about here. Then you're going to braid down to that spot and then cut off the remaining wool. You'll then want to unbraid before starting the next step. Next, you're going to taper each strip of wool so that it's only about an inch at the bottom. These pieces are tapered so that each piece is about 2 inches at the top and 1 inch at the bottom. Mine are a little bit longer than needed. You probably only need 1 foot, 12 inches of tapered braid. Here you can see how the braid is thicker up top and gets narrow at the bottom, so this piece is tapered. When the pieces get too narrow to fold in by hand, I just fold them and then I sew them shut for the last few inches so I can braid with them more easily and so that they'll stay together when I then tuck them into the braid to finish it. So here's the tapered braid, and the bottom of these 3 pieces I have just sewn together since they were getting a little too small for me to braid. Next, I will lace all the way down until I get to a point where I am threading these through different spots in the braid to get them to blend in and to finish it. Once you've laced almost all the way down, leave a few inches and then find a matching color to tuck each end into. After you've tucked the end in, you're just gonna take some thread and sew it together to hold it into place. Once you've got the pieces tucked into the rug, then you just sew them in nice and tight, and then you just snip them off like that. Then you'll want to take the lacing thread and just thread that through and tie it off as well. And then your rug is done.